Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are learning English together. Let's begin. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.
I open my eyes. I open my eyes.
I leave the big bed. I leave the big bed. I wear my warm slippers. I wear my warm slippers.
I walk to the large window. I walk to the large window. I open the heavy curtains. I open the heavy curtains.
I see the morning sun. I see the morning sun.
I enter the beautiful bathroom. I enter the beautiful bathroom.
I wash my face. I wash my face.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I walk to the modern kitchen. I walk to the modern kitchen.
I make fresh coffee. I make fresh coffee.
I drink the hot coffee. I drink the hot coffee. I eat a sweet apple. I eat a sweet apple.
I walk to the big closet. I walk to the big closet.
I choose a clean shirt. I choose a clean shirt.
I wear the clean shirt. I wear clean shirt.
I take my black bag. I take my black bag.
I hold my car keys. I hold my car keys.
I open the front door. I open the front door. I leave the luxury house. I leave the luxury house.
Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.